Talking about alt scanner, Ryan, you want to go through some of the stuff that you're watching, and we can do some analysis on some of the coins that we posted
Yeah,
on the
for
group.
sure. I think we can probably take another 10 minutes of the segment. That will take us up to the hour mark. I know it's been a long Sunday for a lot of us. But yeah, no, I kind of want to just point out one of the coins that was mentioned in our Telegram chat this afternoon, actually, as soon as that crypto strategic reserve news came out. We caught this crypto strategic reserve meme coin that just launched at 50K market cap. So it was around, let's say around here. And yeah, no, it's gone absolutely parabolic. It's gone 50x upwards. And that's a great shout out to Links in the Cryptoverse Telegram group chat who found this and spot this. So yeah, 50x gains within the last, like, let's say 2 hours from the news of the crypto strategic reserves. And that's going to keep happening. I don't expect these plays to last long at all. Like, these plays maybe are just like in for an hour or two, make your quick buck, get out. You don't expect these coins to kind of like have the everlasting growth or some of the longevity as some of the meme coins that we've been in before. There is another one as well. I'd say this one was one of the ones that we had in our group chat, around 300k market cap, which is Baby, which was a deer seized by the US government. Bit similar story to Peanut, when Peanut was around the politician race, and we had Trump mention it, we had Elon Musk mention it, but I think now this was something that was on my radar. It's a shame that it actually pumped again before I could actually speak about it. But Elon Musk actually reposted something about the deer that was taken as well. So these are kind of like small little things. I don't expect these plays to last as well. It's just quick, get your money in, get your money out. One of the coins I'd say that has been performing well for us, this is something that we had, that I think it was about like 1 mil market cap, which was the Infinite Money Glitch. So this is one of the coins that are kind of like starting the meta, I'd say, of the new micro caps, where you'd buy in. It's like a Ponzi scheme. It's essentially a Ponzi scheme. And this happened when the market was really, really bad. And a lot of people are figuring out ways on how to get communities to actually hold tokens. And one of these ways was creating a coin and using the tax rewards to provide more Solana to people. So you'd buy in the IMG token, and that Solana would actually help. It would just, you'll find reflections within your wallets, and yeah, you receive like quite a bit of money in Solana. It's a good way to hold token price. And yeah, I think that's one of the ones that we were looking at in the chat recently. But those are just some of the new ones for now. I guess we've got our long-term plans of looking at UFD and Griffin and stuff like that, but we've had multiple talks on these coins before in the past, and I think this is one of the coins that more than likely will experience good growth within the market. Like I said, there was coins out there that hit the likes of 600 mil market cap, and they went all the way down to 40 mil, lost over 1,000% of the gains for some people. Some people just missed out on their 10x by holding all that way, when you should be taking profits along the way so that you can buy the bottoms again. And Amir, you say this all the time, when a coin launches, you expect it to kind of like find its top, and then all of a sudden it's got to find the bottom again and consolidate, and that's just a part of a token launch in general. So yeah, Griffin's one that I'm looking at. UFD, of course, we've had multiple talks on that before. I'm not going to share any more of UFD for now, but yeah, anything new for you, Amir, that you're looking at?
Let me show you guys the Griffin. Let's get a little bit closer to that chart that Ryan showed. Okay, let me just go on Griffin right now. I'm going to show you guys something very interesting. So if I get my supply and demand tool out, you can see that Griffin today, during the morning, I was watching it very closely. I saw that Griffin is in an accumulation area, and price was literally pulling back into an area where price literally broke out before. It was going back here, and today I saw it that it was trying to bounce. So I took a 10x leverage, like a degen, and I'm up 152% on that.
So took a 10% leverage like a degen.
I don't really leverage too much, but I was like,
go back to that chart for a sec, because it's funny. There's been a lot of the Adam and Eve pattern in a lot of charts on the shorter time frame, and you can see it perfectly right there playing out. You have the V on the left in your consolidation box, followed up by a U. And it's kind of weird to see some stronger coins from the past and current start to actually make that Adam and Eve pattern, which turns into a cup handle, bounce, top, retest that box, and off they go to that next region that you have there, the blue. Just calling it as I see it there, just interesting. And that usually means either consolidation along the resistance support or breakout to the upside. So cool.
Absolutely. Yeah, and the volume looks good as well, to be fair. We got some buyers coming in now, so volume is above average compared to a 10. RSI had literally went from the oversold, it's moving towards the overbought region. And UFD looks very, very strong right now. UFD has broken out of this range. This resistance is not support. So let me just change that to support. There we go. And now the next resistance is going to be, I don't know, around this area potentially. So we could potentially go towards this area next to retest this as resistance. So this could be the next resistance here, potentially. And, it's looking very strong, man. The community is good. Ron is still going live every day. I see him on my timeline all the time. He's going live. Even when the market's terrible, he still goes live. RSI is moving towards the overbought position, and volume is slightly increasing, starting to increase slightly, and volatility looks all right, to be fair. The volatility has increased today, and it's rising right now. And if we go to Fred, which I mentioned in the last podcast last week, Fred was hovering around this area last week. It was around, I saw Sunday. If you go back to Sunday, when was that? It was around this area, I think. Yeah, it was here. Or was it? Yeah, it was, because I'm on the 8 hour. And I was telling everyone this is a good opportunity to get in. We could go on an uptrend, and we did. We blasted again for a second run. I think the destination for this
what is the percentage of gain from the show last week to right now here today?
So let me go to the daily and we can check it properly. So today's Sunday, so let's go back to last Sunday, which is around here, which is this candle here. So we had around, if you get it from the next day's open, we could have around, so it did go up all the way to 117% from where I was buying it in the bottom region, so slightly higher. But I think the destination for this,
it looks like a cup and handle on the daily for sure.
Yeah.
Just forming a beautiful cup there.
Yeah.
I mean, even to the top, like a little bit of pullback, normal. Yeah, that to me is where I'm seeing cup and handle go.
It could do that. Yeah. I mean, the trend line's there as well, so it could go towards this area, really.
Yeah. I see that. And now that we have money flowing back in, I mean, we're already at 3.07 trillion. That's 10% up on it already. So do me a favor.
It's the same as well. Sorry?
I said, can you do me a favor? Can I throw you on the spot?
Is it going to be a hard question?
Yeah, give me some Fart Boy. I want to hear your thoughts on Fart Boy. Everybody knows my thoughts.
Yeah, let me go on the actual chart on Fart Boy. Let me go on the photon this time. Hold on 1 second.
Let me know when your screen's ready, and I'll get you on it. So we can have some non-biased opinion, so it's not always mine.
Absolutely.
But we've had some great calls, like just listening to some of the ETH call I did last week, your Fred last week. I mean, in your Telegram, guys, you've had calls that have been great over the years. We've done calls together on streams that have been great over the years. And somebody asked me, Trench Father, so how do we join the Telegram, guys?
Sure. Just send a message to the Cryptoverse actual Twitter page in the DMs. Amir or myself will get to you. It'll be Cryptoverse free with the underscore. And as soon as you send a message to us, we'll walk you through the details on how to join that. I'm actually getting quite a few messages myself on how to join the Telegram now after today's call as well, the 50X. So yeah, there's a lot of calls that have been in there before, kind of as you've seen already.